Hi guys, I think you all good. Um, in previous video, I taught you how to do Grubs test in Excel and how to check the outliers. Actually, that's from Grubs test and how to get some stuff, average stuff in Excel and so on. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do. How to plot standard addition curve in Excel. For that, I'm gonna take the data set. Okay, I'm gonna get that data set from here because I don't want to waste time. Okay, so what I did was if you have watched my previous video, I had this data set that is for standard addition curve. So I have used this data, the blank subtracted data, and for 0 ppm parts per million, here I have put 0005555. That means I took this data set and I just put 20 20 20 20 20, because here I'm not gonna average these values because I'm gonna use LINNEST function to take the intercept and slope of the curve. So let's see how we gonna draw standard calibration curve for this one. Here I'm going to insert, oh, here I'm going to get a plot. Okay, let's go from here, insert, chart, plot. So this is it. So I am having the standard addition curve. So I want to tell you guys why we need to do standard addition in for some instance. For that, I can tell you that if you have the analyte right concentration very low in your solution, then you need to go for standard addition calibration curve and standard addition method. And if you have a high matrix effect, and if you want to get rid of your matrix effect, then we also need to do the standard addition method. And if you need to have a calibration curve, if in the whether you have matrix or not, if you need to have a calibration curve on matrix, then you need to go for standard addition method. So now we have plotted our plots here. Then from there I can get axial titles and legend trend line. Yeah, trend line of course. So I'm going to more option, and yeah, linear. Backward I'm going to keep let's say 6.0, and I'm going to need display my equation and R value. So for this one, this is the concentration of the added surrogate, right? And the thing, I named this axis there like this because this is not the actual concentration of our sample. Actually, this is the concentration of added surrogate. That means for standard addition method, we from outside we are putting analyte to our sample, right? Like in here, yeah, see, unknown plus 15 ppm magnesium standard. Likewise 10 ppm magnesium standard. So for this one, this is the signal. And when you are extrapolating your plot, you are getting an intercept like this in, I mean, the the line. This is the intercept actually, but I mean like it cuts the axis from here, intersect from here. So okay, draw. Oh, that's not a good color. So here, the intercepting point gives you the concentration of unknown uh, solution. I mean, if you know what we did, we are doing this we are doing the standard addition method to get the unknown concentration. So this is a file, or not file. I need to show you how to do the LINNEST. So I'm going to get the LINNEST function here. Then known y's, you need to insert y. What is the y? This one is the y. So here is the y. Okay. Then comma. Then I need to get the x axis. Okay. And then constant false, so true. Then here you need to put true, comma, then again true, and then enter. Here you go. So here you have I have used the LINNEST function, right? So here I have did that, and like the first row is giving you the slope, and then this is the standard deviation of the slope. Standard deviation of the slope, that means the uncertainty of the slope, and this is the r square value, and this is the intercept, and this is the uncertainty of the intercept. So for like to get the unknown concentration of the analyte here, you need to like unknown concentration of an of the of the analyte. You need to get here I think, yeah, here unknown concentration, intercept by slope. So get the intercept, and it should be divided by slope. Then you can get the value of this point. So this is the way how we can do, I mean, standard addition curve in Excel and getting the unknown concentration of analyte. So this is it. So I guess this video helped you guys to do your work much easier. So let's meet with another new video. Then bye. Have a great day.